Welcome to 2022. In this video I will show you 11 unique Insta360 ONE X2 ideas, which you probably haven't seen yet. The Insta360 ONE X2 is still the best 360 camera on the market, and it's perfect for those who want to try new creative video ideas and tricks with the 360 technology. Check out the link in the description and get your Insta360 ONE X2 now with the special Gimbal Guru discount. The first idea is the flowing hyperlapse. Creating hyperlapses has never been easier. With the Insta360 ONE X2 you can easily create classic hyperlapses as well as flowing hyperlapses. Simply mount your Insta360 ONE X2 on a selfie stick and start recording. Thanks to the flow state video stabilization and the reframing option in post-production, you can create spectacular hyperlapse shots. I have linked you all tutorials to the ideas in the video description. In the in-depth tutorials I show you in detail how you can implement all the ideas yourself. The second idea is to create slow motion recordings with your Insta360 ONE X2. The Insta360 ONE X2 allows 360 slow-mo videos at 100 FPS. This allows you to create unique slow motion footage that you have never seen before. Because of the invisible selfie stick and reframing, you can create breathtaking shots. Here are a few examples which I created with my Insta360 ONE X2. Try it out yourself and surprise your viewers. The third Insta360 ONE X2 idea is the dive into shot. The dive into effect can be achieved by a simple movement and only works with a 360 camera like the Insta360 ONE X2. The reason for this are three important factors: the stabilization, the possibility of reframing and the invisible selfie stick. Find an interesting environment where you can dive into. With the Insta360 ONE X2 mounted on the selfie stick, move through an opening, a frame, a window or something else. To improve the result, you can use reframing. You can add any reframing movements you like. I recommend that you focus on a specific object and place it in the center of the picture. The in-depth tutorial you find again in the video description. Idea number 4 is the seamless transitions. The Insta360 ONE X2 is also perfect for creating seamless transitions. Because of the wide creative scope of a 360 video, the user has numerous possibilities to create different transitions. The three big advantages over normal action cameras, flow state stabilization, reframing and the invisible selfie stick, also help you to create unique transitions without much effort. Check out the details in the video description. Idea number 5 is simple but powerful and interesting for the future. The Insta360 ONE X2 is a 360 camera, so it is also possible to create 360-degree VR videos. Simply mount your Insta360 ONE X2 on a selfie stick and place it anywhere. Or you can walk around with it. The Insta360 ONE X2 will automatically create a perfect stabilized 360-degree video. For example, you can upload your 360 videos to Facebook or YouTube. This allows your viewers to watch the video with VR goggles or manually move freely around the 360 environment. In my opinion, this is a technology of the future, which will become more and more common. Keyword Metaverse. Try it out yourself and create your first VR video. Idea number 6 is the Insta360 ONE X2 rope dive shot. This trick is for experimental creators. Attach a string or rope to the selfie stick. Then find a suitable environment for your Insta360 ONE X2 rope dive shot and let glide it down from the top to the bottom. To improve the rope dive shot and add dynamic, you can apply reframing movements in post-production. Very impressive, unique and only possible with a 360 camera like the Insta360 ONE X2. Idea number 7 is the wall dive shot, which is similar to the rope dive shot. The difference is that the wall dive shot only requires the Insta360 ONE X2 attached on the extended selfie stick. Move the Insta360 ONE X2 down just next to a wall. This effect is very impressive and can be used anywhere. The results are awesome and can be used in any vacation video. Idea number 8 is the pendulum trick. Just mount your Insta360 ONE X2 on a string for hanging. Then mount it anywhere you want. Put the camera in a pendulum motion and place yourself in the middle. Now you can do anything you want. In my example, I tried different things with snow. The pendulum movement leads to matrix film similar results. Get creative and try it out yourself. With the Insta360 ONE X2, you are not only able to create 360 videos, even high quality 360 photos are possible. You can use all the advantages I have already mentioned several times. There are no limits to creativity here. Here are a few photo ideas, which I created with the Insta360 ONE X2. Because the Insta360 ONE X2 is a 360-degree camera, it is also very easy to produce videos with the 9:16 vertical format for Instagram Reels or TikTok videos. No special settings are required. Just start filming and apply the 9:16 format in post-production. The Insta360 ONE X2 allows you to create high-quality Instagram Reels or TikTok videos. You can see some examples on my Gimbal Guru Instagram channel. Idea number 11 is kind of a bonus. 2022, the Metaverse is becoming more and more present. With your Insta360 ONE X2, you are optimally prepared for this. Because with the Insta360 ONE X2, you can create Metaverse content, such as 360 video animations. I have created a tutorial where I show you how to create virtual reality Metaverse animations with your Insta360 ONE X2. So as you can see, there are plenty of new ideas on how to use your Insta360 ONE X2. I have linked you all in-depth tutorials in the video description. Check them out for more details. I would also like to refer to my video 21 Creative 360 Video Ideas, where you can find more creative ideas. As you can see, the Insta360 ONE X2 is also a first-class consumer 360 camera in 2022, which I can highly recommend to you. The big advantage is that the Insta360 ONE X2 is becoming more and more affordable. Take your chance now and get your Insta360 ONE X2 with free accessories at the Gimbal Guru special deal. Check out the link in the description. Subscribe to my channel for more 360 video ideas, tricks and editing. Stop overthinking and start creating.